Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the distance learning sessions through videos organized by Jnanamudra Vidya Mandir. This video is made for Class 3, Subject Maths, Chapter 1, Numbers. Topics of this video are: Number 1, odd and even numbers. Number 2, predecessor and successor. Number 3, number patterns. Come on, let us understand one by one. First, let us understand the meanings of odd numbers and even numbers. The numbers with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in the ones place are odd numbers. Here there are some examples listed for odd numbers: 5, 9, 23, 99, 101, 845, 1947, 2021, etc. We can list many such examples. In all these numbers, we see that in ones place we have any one of these digits. Therefore, all these numbers are examples of odd numbers. Even numbers. The numbers with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in the ones place are even numbers. Examples: 4, 8, 32, 98, 112, 578, 1356, 6530, etc. In all these numbers, we have any of these digits in ones place. Therefore, all these numbers are examples for even numbers. Here we have try these number 2, fill in the blanks, which are based on odd and even numbers. Number 1, the greatest 3-digit odd number is. The greatest 3-digit number is 999 and it is having 9 in ones place. Therefore, this is an odd number also. The answer for our question, the greatest 3-digit odd number is, it is 999. Number 2, the smallest odd number is. The smallest odd number is 1. Number 3, the smallest 2-digit even number is. The smallest 2-digit even number is 10. 4. The greatest 3-digit even number is. Greatest 3-digit number is 999 and the greatest 3-digit even number is one less than that, that is 998. Now let us understand the meanings of predecessor and successor. A number that comes just before the given number is called the predecessor. Example: 999 is the predecessor of 1000. Predecessor of the given number is obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. So we can obtain predecessor of any given number by subtracting 1 from the given number. You will understand this when we take some examples on this. Now let us understand the meaning of successor. A number that comes just after the given number is called the successor. Example, 1000 is the successor of 999. That is, 1000 comes just after 999. Therefore, it is called as successor of 999. Successor of the given number is obtained by adding 1 to the given number. So, successor of any number can be obtained by adding 1 to it. Here we have an example to understand the meanings of predecessor and successor. Look at these three numbers. We have 2786, 2787 and 2788. Here the number 2786 comes just before 2787. So it is called as predecessor of 2787. And the number 2788 comes just after 2787. So this number is called as successor of 2787. And also we notice here that 2787 lies between these two numbers. That is, here 2786 is the predecessor of 2787 and 2788 is the successor of 2787. The number 2787 lies between 2786 and 2788. Let us take few examples to find successors and predecessors. Example number 1. Find the successor of each of the following numbers. Some numbers are given here and we have to find successors of each of these numbers. We know that we can obtain successor of any number by adding 1 to it. Solution. Add 1 to find the successor of a given number. The first number given here is 1241 and when we add 1 to it we get successor of this number. That is 1241 plus 1 is equal to 1242. So this is the successor of the given number. 3999 plus 1 is 4000. 4000 is the successor of 3999. Similarly, you go on adding 1 to the given numbers to obtain successors of the numbers given in this list. Here we have 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. 10,000 is the successor of 9999. Example number 2. Find the predecessor of each of the following numbers. We have to find the predecessors of these numbers. Subtract 1 to find predecessor of a given number. That is 2000 2346 is the given number and we are subtracting 1 from it to obtain predecessor of this number. That is 2346 minus 1 is equal to 2345, which is the predecessor of the given number. The second given number is 5550, and when we subtract 1 from it we get the predecessor, that is 5549 is the predecessor of 5550. Similarly, we can find predecessors of all the given numbers here. 10,000 minus 1 is equal to 9,999, which is the predecessor of 10,000. Exercise 1B. Here also we will find predecessors and successors of the given numbers. A, the number given is 1039 and we have to write its predecessor and successor. Predecessor of 1039 is 1 less than this, that is 1038. Successor of 1039 is 1 more than this, that is 1040. Similarly, you write predecessors and successors of all these numbers. The answers are displayed here. Just go through them, understand and write the answers into your textbook. Here in question number 2, we have write the number that comes between. In these questions, two numbers are given and we have to write the number that comes between given numbers. A, 999 and 1001 is given here. The number that comes between these two numbers, that is 999 and 1001, is 1000. 1000 lies between 999 and 1001. So similarly, you find the numbers that come between the given numbers and fill in the blanks here. Now let us understand what are number patterns. A series of numbers having a common relations between all the numbers is called a number pattern. Examples 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are first 5 odd numbers. We have another example 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These are first 5 even numbers. And what we notice in these two examples is, in both of the above examples, we observe that the number pattern is formed by counting forward in steps of 2. Here, the next number is obtained by adding 1 to previous number. That is, we obtain 3 by adding 2 to 1. And we obtain 5 by adding 2 to 3. We obtain 7 by adding 2 to 5. And we obtain 9 by adding 2 to 7. So all these numbers have a common relation between them. Similarly, here also the next number is obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. Or we can say, as it is said here, these numbers are formed by counting forward in steps of 2. Let us take a few examples to understand more about number patterns. Example number 1. Write all the odd numbers from 1000 to 1020. Solution. We know that the numbers with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are odd numbers. So, the odd numbers from 1000 to 1020 are 1001, 1003, 1005, 1007, 1009, 1011, 1013, 1015, 1017 and 1019. These are the odd numbers from 1000 to 1020. This is a number pattern which is formed by counting forward in steps of 2 starting from 1001. If you observe this number pattern, what you can notice is these numbers are counted forward in steps of 2. That means if you add 2 to the first number, you will get second number. That is 1001 plus 2 is 1003 and 1003 plus 2 is 1005. 1005 plus 2 is 1007 and so on. So all these numbers are counted forward in steps of 2. Example number 2. Write all the even numbers from 1000 to 1020. Solution. We know that the numbers with 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 in the ones place are even numbers. So the even numbers from 1000 to 1020 are 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008, 1010, 1012, 1014, 1016, 1018 are the even numbers that are between the given two numbers. Here, this is a number pattern which is formed by counting forward in steps of 2 starting from 1002. This is also a number pattern formed by counting forward in steps of 2. As we took in example number 1, to get second number, add 2 to the first number. 1002 plus 2 is 1004. 1004 plus 2 is 1006 and so on. This is how a number pattern will show a common relation between all the numbers in the pattern. Try this number 3. Fill in the blanks to complete the number pattern. Number 1. 302, 304, 2 blank spaces are there and we have 310 here. And if you observe this pattern, if you observe these two numbers, we can notice that 304 is 2 more than 302. That means we need to complete this pattern by writing the numbers counting forward in steps of 2. That means we should add 2 to the first number to get the next number, and so on. 302 plus 2 is 304. 304 plus 2 is 306. That will come to this blank space. 306 plus 2 is 308. 308 plus 2 is 310. Like this, we have to understand the given pattern and complete the pattern by filling the blanks given here. Number 2, 451, 453, and next number is 455, because these are odd numbers and these are counted forward in steps of 2. The next number is obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. When you add 2 to 455, you will get 457. To fill this blank, add 2 to 457. That is 457 plus 2 is 459. Like this, understand the given numbers and fill the blanks given here. Coming to question number 3 here, this is 4515. Second number is 4510, and third number given here is 4505. If we observe these three numbers, these are in decreasing order. And in what steps they are decreasing? So we notice that the second number is less than first number by 5, or I can say, if you subtract 5 from first number, you will get the second number. That is 4515 minus 5 is 4510. Subtract 5 from this number, that is 4510 minus 5 is 4505. To get the next number, subtract 5 from this number, that is 4505 minus 5 is 4500. And to get the next number, subtract 5 from this, that is 4495. This is how we can complete this pattern. Similarly, you understand the given numbers and relation between those numbers and fill in the blanks. The answers are displayed here. Just go through them and answer all these questions after understanding the relation between the numbers. Exercise number 1C. Question number 1 here is, study each number pattern and fill in the missing numbers. A, 9786. Two blanks are given here, and after that we have 9792, 9794, and a blank space is given here. Here, just looking at the first number alone, we cannot understand anything about the number pattern. So at least we should have 2 or 3 numbers to understand about the number pattern and its nature. So let us look here. Here we have 9792. Next number here is 9794. If you observe these two, what you can notice is 9,794 is 2 more than 9,792. That means, so this is a pattern of even numbers. Look here, here we have 9,786, which is also an even number. So this is a pattern of even numbers. So to get the next number, add 2 to the previous number. So to fill in this blank, you should add 2 to this number. That is 9,786 plus 2 is 9,788. To get the next number, add 2 to this number. That is 9,788 plus 2 is 9,790. Adding 2 to this number, you will get 9,792. Adding again 2 to this number, you will get 9,794. Adding 2 to this number, we will get 9,796. Like this, we can complete this number pattern. Similarly, you go through the numbers given here, understand the relation between all these numbers and fill in the blanks given here. I am just displaying the answers here. You understand each pattern of numbers and after that write the answers into your textbook. Here we have question number 2, which is application based question. In question number 2, we have 3 sub questions. Let us answer these questions one by one. A. Write all the even numbers from 1211 to 1220. That means we have to write the even numbers that come between these two numbers. Solution. The even numbers from 1211 to 1220 are 1212, 1214, 1216 and 1218. These are the even numbers between the given two numbers. B. Write all the odd numbers from 1211 to 1220. Solution. The odd numbers from 1211 to 1220 are 1213, 1215, 1217 and 1219. These are the odd numbers that come between the given two numbers. Now the question C is, are the number of even and odd numbers between 1211 and 1220 are the same. That means the number of even numbers and the odd numbers which we have written in above A and B, whether the numbers of even numbers and number of odd numbers are same. Let us now look at how many even numbers and odd numbers are there. Here we have 4 even numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many odd numbers are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 odd numbers. So we have 4 even numbers and 4 odd numbers. That means 4 even numbers, 4 odd numbers. The number of even numbers and odd numbers are same. The answer for the question C is Yes, the number of even and odd numbers between 1211 and 1220 is same. So this is how you should answer such questions. So dear children, today we learned about odd and even numbers, predecessor and successors, and also number patterns. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some new things. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.